Hello, this is an information video about the Advanced Biology seminars, and I'm Dr. Tydell. I am the facilitator of these seminars, and I'd like to tell you something about it. First off, the Advanced Biology seminars are seminar meetings that happen on Fridays for 1 hour. There are two seminars. One is called Strange Biology. I'll tell you more about it. And the other one is called Medical Research. Strange Biology meets from 11 to noon on Fridays, and the Medical Research Seminar meets from 1 to 2 on Fridays. So why would you want to join the Advanced Biology seminars? Well, there's a few things. It really looks good on your resume. Sometimes when we're young, we have trouble starting up our resume, but Advanced Biology seminars look good on your resume and on applications. So that's a nice thing. It's really good for helping you prepare for upper division biology courses. We're going to talk in a second about how the seminars ask you to take what you've memorized and apply it in an unusual way and gets you to kind of think outside the box. That's the kind of thinking that will make you a really good student once you're at your transfer institution and you're thinking about those upper division biology courses. These seminars really help you get a lab internship too. If you're a pre-med or if you're interested in research, in both situations, you'd like to get a summer research internship. And also you might be thinking about getting that research while you're on campus to help your application to medical school. They are very, very competitive, but these seminars will help you get there. For one thing, when you have got strange biology or medical research on your application, then when you're interviewing for the internship and they start asking you questions, instead of asking you boring questions, they'll go, strange biology, what's that about? And once they ask you that, you'll start talking about some of the interesting stuff that we've done. And suddenly you are fascinating. You may be telling them things that they actually didn't know. And they can see the kind of lively scientific mind that you have. And boom, you're a shoo-in for that application to a research internship. These seminars are also good for improving your test-taking skills. And for this one, I'm thinking particularly about the medical research seminars. They're really good for helping you to answer like the tricky kind of questions that you will be facing as you move forward in your educational career. One thing that I think cannot be underplayed is that it helps you to meet others that are on your same educational path. You can sometimes feel a little bit lonely on your journey through the courses here at Cerritos College because you may be the only pre-med you know. You may be the only person you know that actually wants to do a career in research. And your friends, as much as they love you, they may not really understand, right? But here you will meet others that are in your tribe. And not only is it great to kind of feel like you know what they're going through, they know what you're going through, but they also have got experiences and knowledge, like when are application deadlines? What is the good place to apply for a scholarship? What are little tips and tricks along the way that they can share with you? There's no homework for the seminars. There are no exams in the seminars. There are also no units that you will be earning here. But the good thing is you literally cannot fail to earn your certificate in the advanced biology seminars unless you quit attending regularly and you don't bring your A game, all right? If you are planning to go to medical school, you're going to need to prepare for the MCAT test at some point. And the medical research seminar, we actually use tests from the questions from the MCAT during that seminar. So that'd be a good thing too, all right? So let me go right past here for a second and tell you a little bit about the Strange Biology Seminar. Strange Biology Seminar, very close to my heart, because we don't talk about the routine stuff that you've already memorized. We actually talk about really exceptional biological systems. Let me give you an example. You have memorized that boiling temperatures will denature proteins, right? And that boiling water is a good way to sterilize things, that everything gets killed in boiling water, except it doesn't. There are many bacteria that actually thrive at temperatures near or above the boiling point of water. How did they do it? Are they breaking the rules? Are they made out of steel or something like that? No. They're still made out of protein, lipid, and carbohydrate, and nucleic acids. They are just kind of tweaking the rules in a way that ends up making foundational biology much more memorable for you. So that's life in boiling water. There also is a low end temperature for life, and there are forms of life like wood frogs that actually can freeze solid in the winter, be essentially dead, and then thaw out and come back to life. Those are the kind of things that we talk about. Here's another one. Isn't she adorable? This is a sea slug. This is an example of one of the sea slugs that can photosynthesize. You may have memorized that photosynthesis and chloroplast, that's something plants and algae do. That is not actually all of the forms of life that can photosynthesize. This little thing can actually live off of photosynthesis. So, of course, it's an animal, it's not a plant, but could we engineer our astronauts to be able to do this? And then instead of eating on the International Space Station, they would just lay in tanning beds, right? So, the medical research seminar. The medical research seminar is a little bit different. Instead of talking about extreme forms of life, we actually use special MCAT questions that are called passage set questions, and we use those as the foundation of that experience. Students work together in groups, try to get as many answers right as they can. Really, really challenging, particularly if you're going to go to med school, but also if you just want to be a research scientist. So, what are the requirements for the advanced biology seminars? Well, first, let me start by telling you that we evaluate the applications individually. So, I'm going to be telling you some of the requirements, and if there's one of these requirements that you don't technically have, like you did it in high school, you did advanced placement, or there's a reason why your GPA isn't quite 3.3, I want you to still go ahead and apply and just make your best case for why you should be allowed to participate in the seminars, even though technically you don't make that requirement. So, starting off, students have to have a cumulative GPA in college of 3.3 or better. All right. Students also have had to have passed Math 80 or higher with at least a B. Particularly in the medical research seminars, we do a lot of graph stuff, so it's important for you to know graphing. Students have to have passed Chem 110 or Chem 111 or higher with at least a B, because we will be talking some chemistry, particularly in the medical research seminars. You have to have passed English 100 or higher with at least a B, and you have to have passed a basic biology class in college. Bio 120 would work, AP 120 would work, ZO 120 would work. If you've got an advanced placement biology class in your background from high school, let us know. All right. So the advanced biology seminars, we meet in real life for 1 hour every week on Fridays. The strange biology seminar is from 11 to noon. The medical research seminar is from 1 to 2. And there's no homework, there are no exams. You just have to keep on participating and bring your A game. This is Daisy. If you want an application, you can email me. I'm happy to send you one. Or if you go to this link, www.cerritos.edu/ctidel, that's me, /ABS, stands for Advanced Biology Seminars, you can get an application there. The deadline for the application is September 20th. We do look at late applications, but please try to be on time if you want to get an invitation on time. And our first day of meeting is going to be September 29th, Friday, September 29th. And I hope that you decide to join us.